So what I'll be doing is I am going to be looking now at how I'm going to capitalize on this specific one. So with this is, I'm not going to rush it. It's okay. I know I missed out on the first entry day. So what I'll do is I'm going to have the 1 minute so that I'm not in a rush. And so far I can see we have this low, lower low, and then we have this lower high, and then low here, which anyways you can see it broke the low. So I don't want to find myself on the wrong side. So I want for price to just continue going upwards, break above here, come back down, and then I'll take this buy. Yeah, that's the only way I can take it risk, because right now I feel like I'm involved in like fear of missing out or something like that. That's what I feel like, truly speaking. So in order to not be involved with that, because I don't want to regret after I make a decision, like, and I start thinking, oh no, I shouldn't have done that. Okay, so with USDT as well, this one here, let me do this. USDT, I can see here we came from looking for buys up until we broke this higher low. Then now we started changing, and then we created lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. So I was actually hoping for price to push once my bet to the upside so that I can see that sell. So we're able to capitalize from that sell. But with the looks of it, the market is not, it's not really doing that right now as we speak, but there's still a lot of potential. So it's just more of now observing and seeing what is what. Okay, so this one, I also like how this candle closed. You see this one here? I like how this 5-minute candle closed. I won't lie, it's tempting me to enter, and not because of fear of missing out, but because of the fact that anyways I am at support. I've been looking for a buy here, and as well I'm at my low. This is where my stop loss is gonna be, below here. So no matter what, I feel like it will still be a good opportunity. So what I can do is maybe I can take it with a low risk, yes, like 0.50%. Let me see how much that would be. 0.50. Like a small risk. Yes, just took it in now, just took it. Stop loss below here. Where is my stop loss gonna be? Just below here. Way below here. And it's funny because the charts are different. Like, what this one here, it shows, because right now I'm looking at it here. This is gold 1 minute. Ne? Okay, let's see here as well. I was looking to take that buy, stop loss just below here. Yes, just below, which is 3686, 36, not 84, 3686, 8604, 36860. So I only took it with like not even 0.7%, like less than that. And okay, let me see this. Minus to 2 years. Where is it? 3694. 36. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm confident because anyways I took it with very small Okay, so here's what I took. Stop loss just below. So like what I was saying is when I'm looking at it with some of these, like it doesn't show the same, like more like the same chart, but in a way of, because here when I was looking at it on the 1 minute, the week here is here, but when I look on the account on the MetaTrader, this week passes this one. So it's tricky, you know. Let me just show you what I mean. I don't know why it's like this, but look here. Where am I? This thing is confusing me. Okay, so look here. This, by the way, these are both the 1 minute. Ne? Look where the weekends, it's like here it goes up and then it goes down and then goes up and then now here. But look here. Here it went all the way down. Look at it. It went all the way down till here. Then it went up. Then it went down. And then now it's here. But look at this week. It's not here on TradingView. See, so yeah, I mean, these are things that we are going to come up against. I guess we just have to see. For now, let me just work with what I'm working with. So maybe what would happen is I just took a very soft trade, but I'm looking for a trade now. So if let's say for instance price pushes up above, like I did above, then now I can see this was a high, higher low, higher high. It's like now a new break of structure here. It's gonna give me some confidence in the markets. At least if price can break above here. I feel like my charts are messy. Why? Okay. So this is what I was looking at, but for now I'm just gonna remove it up until maybe price does something else. So let me also remove it on MetaTrader, because I have a problem of not removing things on MetaTrader. I might remove it here, and then on MetaTrader, if I know that it's running, you know. Delete gold by images. So now, yeah. Yo, this one here is moving. Yo, it would have been nice to give us those sellers, but it's just moving. And I already see how or what's it's aiming for these areas here before it can buy. It's aiming for right here. So could potentially as well see a buy here. Stop loss below. Yes, more like this. Okay. Gold. Let's see. I don't like how it's moving, you know. Let's see. I think I risked like 0.30%. Yeah, like 150. Yeah, like a couple of $100. Because I was not too confident with it. I think I should note that down. Your confidence as well. It's also a lesson. I like these sessions as well because it's more of like a documentation. Get to document down in video form. Because with this, I can already spot that, like, firstly, I was not too comfortable with this trade. I was not mentally prepared or ready. Even if it does go and hit take profit, I feel like it should be one of those trades that I learn a lot from. Because I think I took it because I realized, yeah, it did make sense for me to take it, but I could have waited for a better trade. Okay, could have waited for a better trade. Okay, we're getting close. Yeah, took us out right there. So I think I should have to note it down. Okay, I think, yeah, there is. Let me get back here. So it did take me out already. Let me see. But I'm honestly glad that I didn't really take it with. What's going on? Okay. So I think I should wait for what I'm waiting for, which is gonna help me massively. Like you see right now, I might want to even have a fear of missing out. I want to take it here, but I feel like that's the whole problem. The one thing that I want to wait for is 100%. Now it's here. If price happens to break above here, like break above, or wait for that retest so I can buy it and then go back up. Okay, so that's the only thing, religiously not looking back. And this one here, yeah, this one here, I feel like just having a buy limit looks like a good setup. Let me see what the daily is saying. I mean 1 hour. No, I think this one is also gonna be tricky. I'm not gonna take a buy on it, and the reason is, wait, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna let it slide. I'm not gonna take a buy on it. Makes sense. Because truly speaking, look at it. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Price can give us a lower low. You understand? So it can break and give us like another lower low. So me taking it is me basically just playing with fire here. So I'm gonna have to lay low. The one thing that made sense was gonna be that sell that I was looking for here, but because it didn't, I'm just gonna let it slide and potentially look for some buys. Yeah, I'm only looking for buys now. I mean sells. Let's see what this one is doing. So this one here, another one that I would take on this is this buy. This one. This buy here. Because I was looking for it. Let me just these. Yeah. This is where we broke these lows. So just by showing you, we see here we came this break of structure, we came down, break of structure, we came down, break of structure, we came down, break of structure, and then this was where we changed the character. Okay, so this is where we changed our character, which means from buying, because this was a higher low, we started selling. See, started selling lower low, lower high. So that's what the market is currently doing, truly speaking. But it's just short term with the looks of it. Since we are at all-time high, and here it gave us a beautiful double top structure. Let's see if it reminds me of the gut lead record in the morning. Let me see. Where does it say the entry is supposed to be? Right here, 127. Okay, I'm gonna wait for just waiting for New York open day so we can see. This one here is the one that we took earlier, and it's still skyrocketed. It's now here all-time highs. And just by updating it, you can see more like this. And yeah, I think there's still more momentum. There's still more. This was dope because it was during London session and it did play out well. So now it's just a matter of seeing these ones here. What are they trying to do? And then working with it. Okay, let me remove this so it's not too many things going on. Lows. And then lows, yeah. Let me sit up straight. It's like when I lean back, I can't think proper. I am getting calls after calls after calls. But I'll take it, it's fine. You see what it's doing? It's So what I'm gonna wait for is for price to break above here. Oh, this was even a nice head and shoulders. Look here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Haha. Okay, but this is that break retest. Okay, you can see. Okay, now price has broken up above this area here, so we can just here's like 1 minute. We played around here, we broke above. It's more like a retest. Let's see team. Let us see team. I took it one more with reduced risk entry. So what I done is, like, normally when I reach 0.75, with such, when I take it, is I would risk, especially if, but this one is not like I'm not confident. I am confident with this specific one. Even if it doesn't work out, it's fine. But because I already took half a risk loss, so if like I'm risking 0.75, I risked like half of that, which is like 0.375, somewhere around there. And then that's the one that took it took me out somewhere here. So I took another one, which means that if this doesn't work out, it's a full 0.75%. So I took 2 trades, but almost like at the cost of one, because mind you, there's a cost of business. So it's more like at the cost of making one business. It's like buying 2 oranges with the price of one, So right now, the only thing that I'm going to be waiting for, truly speaking, is I just want to see, as soon as market open, what's going to happen. And if price is going to, respect and do all those things. And yeah, man, from there, taking it. Let's just see. Hopefully we still. And I don't think it's gonna, because here you see, looking at it here, I just wanted it to continue going up, not come down, but it decided to come down. Yeah, I think, I'm just out on it. Now I'm not gonna be entering here. It's too, because anyways, even my stop loss, look at my stop loss, it's like right here. This is where my stop loss is, because I don't want to, once it breaks below, it's still goes down with me, you understand? Like it's a thing of, if you're not, and thing is here, it's just doing a lot of weeks. Look at these weeks and what success it can take, and then eventually just continue going up. So let me just wait for lower high. Okay, let me just wait for this to break. You see what it done? Took me out here, literally here. It's like the market is looking at me. Took me out literally here, like literally here, exactly here, and then look at what it's doing now. But I think what would make sense is if I could just wait for what exactly I was waiting for. That'll be like my last setup, on which I only have like a 0.5%. Let's see. Okay. So like I'm still using the profits that were made from the London session. Okay. Imagine after it takes me out, this is what it does. But this actually it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it here. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it here. This would be my trade. This exact same move. Stop loss below 290. This reward 1 is to 2, is it? Yes. This is the trade that I was waiting for. Okay. Three, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9. Okay. Yeah, this is a trade that I'm more likely looking for. Let me just do this. Let me just make sure this has been. Ooh, this thing's just skyrocketing. Wait a minute. Can you please just come for a retest at least? Yo, and this is insane. Like, let me just do this. Maintain analysis. like, look at this. I'm just gonna pull out my thing so you can see the trades that I took right now, how emotional it can be when you're trading. Look at it. That first buy I took it here, it took me out here. The second one I took it here, look at where it took me out. Like literally after it took me out, that's where you see the week. And maybe also it makes sense for me. I made a mistake. My stop loss could have been lower than this, not the way it was. So I'm seeing now, maybe I was just not looking at my stop loss. Could have been lower than this because I was using the recent data, which is this, to tell me where my stop loss must be, on which there was a very big mistake. So my stop loss could have been right below here, and maybe, yeah, obviously that would have saved on these two. Actually, on these two it would have saved. I think that the first one I was looking at this, the second one because I was looking at this, it makes perfect sense. But yeah, I'm just showing you so you get to see. This was an emotional trade, I will not lie, because looking at it, this was tricky. Taking two positions, the first one being here, whereby looking at it, like, I want this, I like this, because it helps be able to know moving forward, because my stop loss, like I did say, my stop loss could be here. And even though I did buy, okay, this one, it makes sense. This one here, stop loss where it was, it's okay, I don't really blame it. This one here is the one, because I used the recent structure here, which was not right. I was supposed to put it on this exact below this one here. So yeah, that's just a quick mistake that we done, and we learn from them. But on my side, this setup is still valid, this one here that I did put, because I'm looking for price to just recommend, because only now would have taken profit. You see, with this one here, I'll be taking profit right now, but yeah. So let's just see if the market is gonna do anything different. Let me see what US30 is doing. Okay, so with this one here as well, it's gonna have to be two areas, because here I'm seeing either price is gonna wanna sell here, or price is gonna wanna push up here. So because I don't have more entries on it, like to respect my risk, I'm not gonna take this one here. I'm gonna take this one with less risk. And here I think I'm just gonna let it use this that I have. So the one thing that I should take on today's session is also not to be too tight on the stops. Like you see, I put it below here, and this was already tested and broken, you see. So even when it broke again, it didn't really do much. So if I put it here, this is where it would have been, you see. So, but yeah, man, luckily I did get to see that. So this one here, you see what it's doing. Yeah. Ooh, no. I'd love to take a sell, but truly speaking, guys, look at it, like, and I didn't put like sauce. Is the news that is going on? It's 3:30. What's going on right now? straight. Today's still Tuesday, so we still want to stack up. Don't want to exhaust out all the trades. Tuesday. 2:30 USD. It's retail sales. They just, when did they drop? Yeah, but I think, yeah, 2:30. 3:30. Yeah, 2:02. Oh, look at this one. Yeah. See gold. Okay, we broke above this area. So what would be a clean retest? 5 minute. I think what I have is, I think with the trade that I have on gold, I can leave it like this one here. It's still fine. I can leave it because we broke highs, and now I just wanted to come and retest here for entry. I think I can still leave it. And this one, yeah, I'll run with it. Yeah, this one was dangerous. Ooh. Luckily, I didn't really place much on it. Okay, let me put attention on this. Yeah, it has been a long day. Ooh. If this trade goes well, then yeah, I'm happy. For the day, I can close it and say, done for the day. Yes. Yo guys, I have goats, sheep that I bought at home, so now they're starving. I need to get them food. Yeah, let's go for it. Okay, done with that. Ooh. 4, 5. This thing is just skyrocketing. It's like now it's not wanting to come back and give us an entry. I don't think that's gonna come back with the looks of it. Well, it can come back, but like not no. Like maybe after the next 2 hours and so on. Mm, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. Okay. So I guess for now it'll just be 7 to 8, 7 to 8, 8, 7 to 8. Okay. There's somewhere that I need to. Sorry. Yeah, this could have now been like I could have called it a session already. Like that's one thing that I know. Because once we would have hit take profit, would have been done. Let me see. Tuesday, Wednesday we have CAD. Okay, USD 8 p.m. It's gonna be heavy. This one. I don't like it because, to speak, if I entered this, I would have been out because my stop loss was gonna be somewhere above here. So it was gonna take me out with this candlestick, you know. So yeah, even if it looks like it's a good one, I wouldn't have profited from this one, yeah. Unless maybe if I waited for, but if I waited for a rejection, okay, this was too big. Maybe this one, yeah. But yeah, it was gonna be hard because anyways, with market execution, by the time you enter a trade, it's already gone. That's what sucks about market execution. But this one is still gonna be valid even if it breaks above. Yeah, it could still be valid because anyways, this would be the lowest point. Yeah, I hear from where it looks like it might sell. And yeah, somewhere around these areas. So let's see. So So maybe I might go down with it while I'm waiting for that peak. Long term, I'm just now gonna reduce way more risk. Ooh, but it's moving too quick. I don't want it to, okay, but it's yeah, I don't want it to move this quick. Yo, this thing is quick. Okay, it's fine. Wanted to secure 1:2 because with the looks of it from here where we are, it's either price is gonna hold on and then go back down, or it's gonna just break above. There's no other way. And me, I'm still looking for that buy from here at the bottom. But yeah, man, yeah, I'm even getting tired. Today has been a long day for me. Yeah, today has been a long day, guys. Today has been a long day. With USDT, look at it, yo, and it's going down, like it's just skyrocketing. It's just skyrocketing. But for now, I'll just wait for gold and see how I go about it. But with that other one, if I can, what does this say for? Let me see some. Okay, another update that I'm seeing, especially with gold, like looking at it, taking structure from here at the low, look at it, low, high. There's a 50% level, which automatically calls out for what pattern is that? A bad pattern, which means that with that bad pattern, we take it from X to A to B, B to C, right here, C to D. D is at 88.6. 88.6. I don't know why I never saw this. I kept on looking at this the whole time, but not this. So okay, I'm glad that I'm taking these videos, because even me, mentally, I'm, getting to see how I trade. So, because with this now, automatically 88.6, which is right here. This way entry. I could have entered this here. Wow, and this was gonna make perfect sense. Stop loss right here. Below here, yeah. And then risk around is to 2. And obviously once it breaks above, I was gonna like manage it. Maybe I would have like went out just below this 5-minute candle, which is gonna probably be a 4. But he's fine. He's fine. He's fine. Okay, so now it's shooting down. You see that cell that I was speaking about here. It's just I don't like going against the markets, especially see if I already had like winning trades that were running and stuff. That was gonna be okay, but now because of those silly mistakes that I done here, I don't think mentally right now I'm okay to even scan or like go for other trades, because I just feel like it's gonna be more like me doing not fear of missing out, revenge trade, and I might give back the money that I made today already in London session plus as well and lose more. So luckily I'm still in small profits, but this would have been a good trade, like selling here. The risk reward 1:2, but anyways, we're still coming all the way down. So for now, I'm just gonna let it slide. And then I'm just waiting for this buy here. That's all. Okay, let's check. Auntie. Ooh, look at this. This is that entry that I wanted, but I was not comfortable. And like I did say, for today, I don't think mentally I'm ready to hold on to other trades, because I feel like I'm gonna give back a lot of money to the markets if I try to do too many things. You see that this one here? So I'm just gonna work with this. Let's go, team. Let's go. Okay.
And so instead.
Okay. So this one here might even break above, come back down, and so on. But yeah, man, it will need like observations. But anyways, let me see. Hello, hi. Hello. I think it's gonna respect this area and then go back down. It looks like it's gonna respect this area and then go down. From here where it is right now. Yeah, this one is still gonna go down because but I'm not gonna take it now. Let's go. Let's go team. Let's go team. So to be honest, I won't lie, I was tempted to take this. I was tempted like heavily, but I just didn't because I felt like I was not gonna feel good because I wanted to take it once more and like obviously come take it somewhere around here. But I felt like it was gonna be trying to like make more money, you know, and all those things, which is against the way that I trade. So I didn't. just choose not to. Even if it hits, okay, if it hit take profit out, it should help me gain more belief. And yeah, man, the goal is to cut out like silly mistakes, as much silly mistakes as possible. The goal is to just cut them out, because they are the ones that actually do cost. Now you can see it's doing like a double top structure. See the double top, it's respected, and now we have to still come back here. I'm so tired. But ultimately, I'm looking for this. Let's go, team. Let's go. Remember, there's still like today's Tuesday, there's still Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Why am I saying so? It's because of the fact that you don't want to go all in. Like already, like let's say for instance, today is Tuesday. I can't be going all in. I can't want to catch every move. I can't want to take every trade, because eventually I'm not gonna have an account to trade with. Like if I do that, because I will make some mistakes that are gonna cost me my account, and then I won't have an account to trade. So rather like just wait and take it easy type of a thing, compared to wanting to always be in the markets. So this one it broke 3 times then. Let go, let go, let go, let go. But how's Tuesday going for you guys? I can see I'm here with Matlatsi, Davy, Itandile, and Isaac. How's Tuesday going for you? Is everything going well? Is everything going smooth? I think with this the New York session, more importantly, I like the fact that it was like close to, it was more of a lesson, eye-opening session. There's a lot that I did learn, and with this trade I am gonna be following up on it. I'm not done with it. I'm actually gonna be, I've got the orders that are still running on it, yeah, and hopefully if it just continues to go, I'm gonna manage it, monitor it, and then hopefully if it does go up, I'll update in the group, in the private group I will update. But yeah, if not, I will just like, if it changes, I'll just like, also update in terms of like showing that, okay, no, I'm no longer a part of it, like let's say in terms of this. But I'm glad with the session, truly speaking. Already obviously this specific session was not too profitable, especially on gold, but it was profitable because I saw the mistakes, and as well what could be done better moving forward. So yeah, man, it will actually be a game changer. It will be a game changer. So for now, we're just waiting for gold to just come in, activate us, and then we can call it a day. But yeah, we are gonna be seeing that right now. It's not moving too fast. It's moving slow. We can see, but eventually it will get there. And once it gets there, we can. But yeah, man, I'm glad that you guys did join. Let's meet again on the next session, London session. Hopefully we will do it again. We can maybe have 2 sessions a day, sometimes 1, depending on how things are. But I'd love to do more of these in terms of being more seeing like this, because it does open up eyes towards what's possible as well. Remember, anything is possible in the markets, anything. So that's one thing you need to take home. But see you guys.